Hello, this is Antoinette again, bringing you a new hairstyle that I'm doing today. This one is going to be like a Victorian type style, and I'm gonna use a braid, which is this one right here. I'm going to use this braid to incorporate. See, this is what happens when yeah. I'm going to use this braid to incorporate it into the hairstyle, and guess what? This braid right here that I created was done on clip-ins. I don't know what possessed me to do something like this, but I wanted to tap into my creative juices to see what I can do, able to do a braid. So, with that being said, I'm about to get started so I can show you all this look. It is so cute, and it gives me, I don't know if some of you all like eras, like the Renaissance era, the 1930s, the 20s, or the 40s, or something like that. But I do. I like those eras because of the hairstyles that were back then during that time. I like to create looks from those eras. You know, they inspire me. So I hope that this look that I'm creating today will be a look that some of you all can try, and on a real person, or you may. I sectioned the hair on both sides. And now I'm going to, oh girl, I want you to keep your head still. Gee, we go through this every time. So, this is going to be pulled into a low pony. Created the ponytail. So now the next thing I'm going to do is apply this braid over top of the head. It's going to be in the front. I know you all probably wonder what in the world is she going to do this thing? A clip-in extension that she created into a braid. Watch me work, people. Watch me work. Watch me work. I'm telling you, my creative juices was flowing all week. I was like, oh, Antoinette, what are you doing? What are you doing? You are creating, girl. You are creating. I was like, yes, I am creating. I cannot take it sometimes. I don't know how to act when my creative juices get to flowing. Since I'm able to secure the braid on this side with the clip-ins, with this side, I'm going to use hairpins and bobby pins to secure the braid in here, just to hold it in place. Okay, now that that's done, it looks like this in the back. I'm gonna move the braid a little on. What is she doing? Sit back and watch. Watch me create. Watch me create. Now with the ponytail, I'm going to make this into 3 braids. It's going to be 3 braids. This is one. And turn it around so you all can see. This is going to be 3. Okay, that's too much. So create this. This is 1 braid. Get some of this hair out of the braid. And with this look, you all can do a twist, or you can do the braids like I'm doing, or whatever you desire to do. Once you see the direction that I'm going, and you can find whatever works for you, use your own creativity. Find what works for you. Whatever inspires you, you take from that and you just create from there. You just put your own little spin on it. Your own little twist. When I create like this, I'm telling you, it relaxes me. Sometimes I will zone out and just be in a whole nother world, just, you know, thinking, what else can I do with hair? How creative can I be, you know? So just doing this is just relaxing me. This is fun. It's not work, you know, and I love what I do. Not too many people can say they love what they do, but I love what I do. Sometimes I amaze myself. Here's the last braid. And then I'll tie this one as well with an elastic band to hold the braid in place. Oh, I need to see what I'm doing. These 3 braids are done. So I'm gonna spread them out, make them a little bigger, loosen them up a little. It's staying so hard that I feel like I'm about to pull them out of place. So I have to be really careful with that. It's cooperating. Cooperating, it's just operating. Just keep pulling, separating them, loosening up the braids. That's what you're doing. You're loosening them up. And you can do this to your own liking. Oh, see what I mean? I pulled that out, but that's okay, because you're not gonna be able to see it for what I'm about to do with this. I have my son behind the scenes. He's my video guy. And I tell you, he's been such a trooper. I don't see how he put up with me throughout all of this. But I really appreciate my son. He is like the best. His name is Devontae. And he has been such a great help to me. I really appreciate you, son. Okay. Now that this is done, this is what the braids look like. If you want to create this, you can do that as well. However you want to put your own spin to it. So now, what I'm going to do is take the first braid, and I got some right here. You take the first braid. I'm going to use a bobby pin to anchor the hair this way, but then I'm going to bring it over here, because what I wanted to do is tie it in with this braid. Even though you're not going to see that braid that much, turn her around. I know it looks like I'm choking her, but one minute I want her to keep her hair still, the next thing you know, she's moving her hair when I don't need her to. So, but she's been such a great help too. All right, so now I'm going to take this one, do the same thing with this braid. I don't know how many hairpins and bobby pins on the floor, but they'll be there. The floor will hold it until I get to them. So then I'm going to cross this one over as well. Secure. I'm tucking the ends in to hide them. And I'm securing it again with a bobby pin. Top of the band. So this braid right here is pretty much going to cover right around here, the middle of this, where this gap is, and up underneath. So I'm going to take that one and fold it, lay it low. I'm just going to pin it. That's what I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to pin it. Okay. See, ooh, I like this. Okay. I'm getting somewhere with this thing. I'm telling you, you all just don't know. When my juices get to flowing creatively, telling you, I made my hair is still in the way. One thing about using braids like this in a hairstyle, the bobby pins and the hairpins helps. The braid helps catch onto those. Whereas it's easier to secure them. This is going to be like a twist. It's going to look like a twist because I'm twisting it. But as you see me do this, I'm just covering the braid with, let me do this. That is not like how I want it. I'm going to turn you around there. Turn you around. I would love to try this hairstyle on a real person. I really would. So now I'm twisting the hair. now I'm going to take a hairpin and I'm going to tuck it in the back to start securing the hair that I'm twisting over the braid. And you can pin as you go. Just keep twisting it all the way to the end. So you can loosen it up so it won't look so tight. And this is, I cannot take it sometimes. I'm telling you all, if y'all can see and feel how I'm feeling when I'm creating, I'm telling you, those who understand what I'm saying and how I'm feeling knows when you create something and it looks good and you're happy with it, it's just a wonderful feeling. I'm telling you. I'm like, I can't take, look, see, there I'm so happy to drop my hairpin still. Okay, now I'm going to secure it right here. And up in there. And then I'm going to secure it down here, because what's going to happen with this twist, I am going to create a braid as well out of this. I had to twist it in a direction that I already had the twist going. Right? You're going to braid it up like this. Again, you can continue on twisting it, but since I already had braids going, I just decided to go ahead on and braid this up as well. Now, when I twist this, I was twisting in this direction to my right. This one is going to be going in the other direction. So I have to take it this way. As I twist, I'm just grabbing hair to incorporate it into the twist. Not right now, I'm busy. I will call them back when I'm finished creating. All right, again, you can, I had to change directions of my hand. Still twisting the hair. So since this was going already in this direction, I'm going to bring it over and get ready and start braiding the hair in the direction that I wanted to go. So, I hope you all understood that part, because look, you know how people can't chew gum and walk at the same time, or text and walk at the same time. Sometimes I can't create and talk at the same time because I get so excited what my eyes are seeing, and I'm like, look, this is, I cannot believe this. You all gonna get, I am loving this. I don't know why I keep putting, y'all hear him dropping on the floor. Oh, this is so cute. I can't take it. Girl, you are going to the ball. You are going to the ball. Yes, you are. And with this hairstyle, this can also be a bridal look as well. With this hairstyle, you can add some type of hair accessories with it. Whatever hair accessory you may have to give a little something to your hair look. Whatever you desire is the final look of the hair. And if you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because I will be bringing more videos of creative hairstyles as well as bridal updos. Whatever I feel like creating, that's exactly what you all will see, because I will be sharing. Also, if you can create your own Victorian type hairstyle, put your own little spin and twist on it, I will see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, AW630. I will see you soon. Bye.